In this video, I would like to explain how to make an Arduino remote car controlled by a smartphone, which is iPhone. Actually, this is so easy if you have the proper materials and a bit familiar with Arduino coding. Please watch my video till end to follow up everything very well. Also, please subscribe my channel to encourage me to make more videos. This is the car I made. To make the RC car, you will need 4 wheels, 1 piece of old 298 DC motor driver, 4 pieces of DC gear motors, 1 Arduino Nano, 1 HEM10 Bluetooth module, 1 voltage regulator, which is optional, and finally 11 volts LiPo battery. I will leave the decision of making the shape of your car body to you. You can design your car body in the shape of whatever you want. In this sketch, you can see the full wirings diagram. After connecting all the cables properly, all you need is uploading the Arduino code to your Arduino. This is the car controlled by iPhone. Because of this, please download the Dabble app from App Store to control your car. This is a ready-to-use car I made before. I did not upload full detailed making video in this time. If you have difficulties to complete your car, please leave your comments.